Hey guys, Alaha here. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. And if you're an existing subscriber, how you doing? Welcome back. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to be showing you how to get this entire look using Airbrush. That's eyeshadow and everything. Even the lower lash line, guys. You should be proud of me because I have very sensitive eyes. So I also showed you a new foundation formula in this tutorial that I am obsessed with. And if you're a person that loves matte makeup, but you don't like the way that matte makeup feels on your skin, stay tuned because I share a new foundation formula with you guys. Yeah, I'm not gonna ramble on too much. So if you'd like to learn how to get this look, please stay tuned. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's jump right on it. Okay, so basically you guys can see the shade difference here. My neck is darker than my face now because I wore a hat all weekend at the lake. I did not cover my neck though, so my neck did get a little bit tan. So we're gonna have to adjust our foundation color a little later. I'll show you how to do that. And we're gonna start with eyes. So I'm wearing a green shirt. First thing I'm gonna do is go ahead and prime my eyes with the Urban Decay Primer Potion. Just gonna apply this all over my eyes. All the way up to my brow bone. And guys, I went ahead and primed, concealed, and moisturized my face already. You guys know my usual steps. And I'll post what I used for those steps down below, just in case you don't know. And now I'm gonna go ahead and fill in my eyebrows off camera. You guys have seen me do this a million times with the airbrush, so I'm just going to fill them in using Dark Smoke and Underground by Dinair, and then I'll be right back. I just don't want this video to be too long because I do have a meeting in a few minutes. Okay, so my eyebrows are filled in. I just went ahead and used Underground from the Opalescent range, and I used Dark Smoke from the Eyebrow range, both by Dinair. And now we can jump in to the eyes. So I'm gonna take off my cleaning caps. I usually leave these on overnight. I went ahead and took out the little plug already. Take this off gently so none of the liquid pours out. Dump that onto a tissue. And then I'm going to hold this tissue up right here so when it sprays out, it sprays the tissue and spray out all my cleaner. Keeping these cleaning caps on when you're not using the airbrush ensures that the needle is perfectly clean and your airbrush is perfectly clean and good to go, and it will not clog or anything like that. So I always suggest keeping the caps on. So when I'm not using my airbrush, this is what it looks like, and when I'm ready to use it, I just remove the cleaning caps and I use it like so. The first thing I'm going to use is Dinair Neutralizer in the shade Vanilla, and I'm applying this to my brow bone. Just gonna do 2 drops to cover my brow. Just like so. Just like that. And I kind of go back and forth and apply layers. Next, I'm going in with my Dinair Neutralizer in the shade Golden Olive, and I'm applying this to my crease. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean out my brush, and then I'm going to go in with my next shade. Pour some cleaner, back bubble, spray out. The next shade I'll be going in with is the Dinair Natural in the shade Kiwi. 3 drops. I'm going to use my stencil right around this edge here. like that. This is the harder eye for me because I'm blind out of this eye. So it's very hard for me to see. And I just like to build on this color. I don't want to go in with too much color at once. Now I'm going to go in with my Dinair shimmer in the shade Emerald Green. Just going to apply 2 drops and back bubble these 2 colors together. And just apply this to my lid. And I'm going to clean out my airbrush. I'm also going to clean the nozzle, which you just remove this cap right here and you pour some cleaner on that needle right there, the needle and the nozzle, and you really just brush off any built up makeup off of that tip. Next, I'm going in with my Dinair Natural in the shade Earthen, which is like a really deep green olive color. Just apply a couple of drops. And you know what? I'm gonna mix just 1 drop of kiwi with this, just to lighten that color just a little bit. Now I'm gonna use this, turn down my compressor, just on the outer corners. Now I'm just cleaning out my airbrush again. Now I'm going in with my Dinair shimmer in the shade Moss Green and applying this to my inner corners. Just do a couple of drops of that. I'm just dragging this in a tiny bit right into the inner thirds. Just like that. And just to be safe, I'm going to place my cleaning cap over here because I did use some of the shimmer colors, and place some cleaner in there and pull this trigger back and just push that and squeeze that to really clean out that needle. As you guys can see, every time I squeeze it, that cup bubbles. Turn it on and spray it all out. Now, that's all I'm doing for the eyes. I don't think I want to wear any eyeliner. I think I just want to keep this like this to really show off that green. And we're going to go into our face and then we'll apply mascara and all that good stuff. So for today's foundation, I'm going in with the Dinair Velvet in the shades Vanilla and Golden Olive. Now, the Velvet formula I have not used on my channel before. This is a very beautiful matte finish, but it's more comfortable. So kind of like a semi-matte finish. And what it does is it gives you that matte look that you're going for without the feeling of it being matte. So it's a little bit more, I would call it semi-matte because it still gives you that matte look, but it feels very nice on your face, if that makes sense. I'm gonna do about 10 drops of vanilla. Actually, 8 drops of vanilla, because I'm a little bit more tan now. And normally I do 10 drops of vanilla and 6 drops of golden olive, but today I'm gonna do 8 drops of vanilla and 8 drops of golden olive. And what I love about these foundations is if you just get these 2 shades or whatever shades are closest to your complexion, you can mix and match them all year round and wear them all year round. There's no need to go get a new foundation because you can either put more of this if you're more tan, or you can put more of the lighter one if you're more pale, like in the winter months. So that's what I absolutely love. And I'm just gonna back bubble these 2 together. I'm gonna use this to cover my eye. And my brow. Because if you get the foundation on your eyebrows or on your eye makeup, it's gonna look kind of gray. So we don't wanna have to go in and fix that again. Okay, and now you guys can see that coverage is the real deal. Now, please, by all means, if you want more coverage than this, go for it. I kept it a little bit lighter than usual today, just because I'm not going anywhere. I have clients coming and then I have a conference call, so I could just keep it like this. But if I was going out, you guys know me, you know I like my full coverage. The thing I love about this is I can literally touch it right away and it feels like I don't have anything on my face, which is amazing. So those of you that don't like the feeling of makeup on your face, I highly recommend any of the Dinair formulas. However, the Velvet one is especially for you if you like that matte look, but you still want a very comfortable, super comfortable, as if you're not wearing anything on your face, that kind of wear, the Velvet one is for you. Now I'm going in with my Dinair Velvet in the shade Nutmeg, and I'm applying this as my contour. 1, 2, 3, 4 drops is more than enough. So normally I like to go in with my highlight next and then my blush, but today I'm gonna do it a little bit different because yesterday I was playing around with it and I really liked the way it looked to reverse those. So I'm gonna go in with my blush first and then my highlight. So for my blush, I'm using my Dinair Natural in the shade Dark Peach Pink. Just gonna apply 2 drops. Okay. For my highlight, I'm going in with the Color Opalescent range in the shades Enchanted and 24 Karat. This is my holy grail favorite highlight combo. I have tried a few other colors and I do love them, but this is my favorite. Go in with 2 drops of 24K and 2 drops of Enchanted. Back bubble. Okay. Let me just cover my eye. You guys see how pretty that is? Look how beautiful that color is. Lord, I'm obsessed. Cupid's bow and on my nose. And the nose is done too. I'm not gonna apply any to my brow bone, although I could, just a little. For my waterline, I'm going in with the Milk Makeup Long Wear Gel Eyeliner in the shade Bonus. And this is a beautiful shimmery brown color. I'm just applying this to my waterline. And you guys can see the difference. This just ties the whole look together. Tight line, just like that. Now for my lashes, I'm gonna use the Huda Beauty Legit Lashes Mascara, and I only use one side of the mascara. I don't usually use both. I use the volume side today. Next, I'm going in with my Roden & Fields Brow Defining Boost in the shade Dark, and I'm applying this to my eyebrows. Two reasons why I like to apply this. A, because it gets rid of some of those airbrush particles that got on my brows, and B, because this actually helps your eyebrows grow. So it's a double win for me, and it comes with this cute little mascara wand. Just gonna brush them in place. I am going to go in with some lashes. These are the Lashylicious in the style Glammylicious. Now I'm going in with my ColourPop Cosmetics I Love Sarai lip pencil in the shade Curvy and lining my lips with that. And you guys probably already know what liquid lipstick I'm gonna go in with. It's been my favorite for like the last 3 weeks to a month. This is the Dinair liquid lipstick in the shade Undressed. And I love this formula because it's so soft and it's not drying. And it's super thin, so it doesn't make your lips crack. Okay guys, this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. A little secret here, I actually used to wear this color in high school almost every single day because I loved how olive green complemented my eyes and I wasn't allowed to wear any other makeup, so eye makeup was all I was going with. So yeah, that being said, thank you guys so much for tuning in. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and turn on the bell notifications so you guys are notified every time I upload a new video. And if you're not following me already, please go ahead and follow me on all my other social media outlets. I have Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. All of that is at MAKEUPBYALAHA. As always, thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for staying until the very end. Thank you for all the love that you guys show me. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!